Hi. I wanted to share with you the unboxing of the book that I wrote from Frayed Edge Press in Philly. This book, I was checking it out. The first sentence, I remember like the first thing I wrote in a notebook was from Pittsburgh in like 2006. But I think the first story came out in 2014. So I was doing the math. That's 7 years. It was early 2014. And I think it's like 180 pages, so it's roughly 20 pages a year. That's how amazing I am. I'm reading a Dostoevsky book now that he wrote in a year, and it's like 1,800 pages. But that's because he had gambling debts, and I don't. I would have gambling debts if they were sports, but we don't. So we got this, we got this. I should probably be wearing gloves. It'd be really cool if I died opening my own book, but we'll see about that. So, it'd be cool if I had muscles too. I think I just ripped my own book while opening it. So this is her. Ambushing the Void is taken from a Tolstoy novel, Boyhood. The quotes in the book. This image is from a really cool guy named Asher. I worked with him at Barron Magazine. For those of you guys who know that, I work there. This is a part of a like dolls and cemetery thing that he's doing, which is super cool. I know it seems creepy, but it's just like going to tombstones for little kids and seeing all the little kids' stuff there. And they're little, so it tends to be like stuffed animals and dolls and things like that. But then through the years, the animals get degraded through the environment, blah, blah, blah. So there's all these like really pretty things. If you go into his contact inside here, you'll see it. But this is my book. This is the only thing I've accomplished in my life, and I'm pretty happy with it. And I hope you like it too. I'm not going to ask you to buy it because it's an insane time to do that, since 9% of us are out of jobs. I'm lucky. I'm a professor, so I get to keep teaching just like this. But again, I wanted to share this with all of you. Probably 6 or 7 years of work. Frayed Edge Press is the publisher. Allison, give her a shout out from Philly, did an awesome job, and I hope you like it if you get a chance to read it. I started to read it and got really depressed because I think I'm a better writer than this now, but here that's what happens. Anyway, it'd be funnier if it were April 20th. It's April 21st. I think this goes on sale May 19th, and it'll be pretty much everywhere then. I'll probably be giving a bunch of virtual readings that no one will go to, and real readings that no one will go to, and podcasts that no one will listen to. So if you want to hit me up and get zero audience, I'm your man. Have a nice day. Don't touch your face. Later.